Morning, dear students. Today we will read the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali polymath poet, writer, composer, philosopher, and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with modernism in 19th and early in 20th century. Rabindra was the youngest son of Rabindranath Tagore. He was the winner of the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Where the Mind is Without Fear is a pre independent poem in which the poet sincerely urged to God that his fellow begins for the realization and they need to live in a free and united country. He wants his countrymen to awake and enjoy the life of full dignity and honor. Let's read the poem. It is also called Gitanjali 35 and its earlier name is Prarthana. The first line is Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. The poets want that his countrymen, the people of his country, to awake and enjoy the life of full of dignity and honor. Knowledge is free. He wants that everyone should be educated and knowledge should be free for everyone. Where the word has not been broken up into the fragments by narrow domestic walls. He also wanted his countrymen would not be superstitious or believer of blind faith, rather than they would lead the life of enlightened and educated. He wishes to the people to be honest, open-minded and industrious. Then only they would stretch the arm towards the perfection and the nation can actually achieve the apex of success. Where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, he wants that every countryman should be perfect in their jobs, in their works, and every people of this country should be tireless. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert and dead habits. He wants that every person should be awakened and every person has not lost its way with some problems and with bad habits, where the mind is lead forward by thee into ever winding thought and action. He wants that everyone need to use their reason over their blind faith and must be ready to accept new thoughts and ideas. He requests to God to free his country from manipulation, corruption and slavery. And he also wants that freedom of mind and expression of ideas should be there. Tagore earnestly appealed to God that a country would be where people is a head and high and knowledge is free. His country would be divided and fragmented into pieces due to their narrow thoughts. They should express their words not from the mind but the depth of the truth and heart. So he urged to God to guide his country for moral awakening to fight for their rights against British inhuman rules. And he also wanted countrymen should be unprejudiced and open-minded, accepting the new challenges in life, and they should also lead their life with dignity. Moreover, we can say this poem is remarkable, which expresses the intensity of the feeling of freedom, and his poem is a universal in its appeal and vision of heaven of freedom and happier future for mankind. Thank you. Have a nice day.